Hi, I had an issue with my reverse lights and sensors caused by the switch on the transmission. Hope this video saves you 5 minutes if you have something similar. So for me, it wasn't likely to be a bulb, but they're very easy to check. There's 3 10mm bolts and you'll need a deep socket. Actually, unpeeling the carpet is the hardest part of it. The plug has got a little spring-loaded thing in the back, and check the contacts in there for corrosion. Check the bulbs, look for corrosion on the metal anywhere. So losing all the lights and the sensors was more likely to be a fuse. There's a box in the engine bay and one in the glove box. The later model 2 litre diesel is fuse number 2 in the glove box, but I'll put some links in the description for petrol and diesel and the different. What pointed me towards a switch was if I moved out of reverse really slowly, I would sometimes trigger it. The switch sits on top of the transmission. The plug has a clip on it that you just need to squeeze in to remove it, and it needs a 22mm deep socket. This is the new one. There's a rubber washer that you can't actually see very well on this shot, but that just keeps it sealed. Nip it down and it wants torquing to 20 Newton meters. There's another car parked quite close behind so that the sensors will beep so I know it's working. Easy fix. Thanks for watching, see you next time.